Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to give you a short walkthrough of this little 4x6 mini album that I've put together. And here is the front cover. I've added some glitter on the front. Now, I am selling kits for this. These are in my Etsy shop. When this video goes live, this is in my Etsy shop currently, so please check out the link below. Kits tend to go quickly, so if you're seeing this, go ahead and check the description, click on that link, and it'll take you right to my shop where you can pick up one of these kits. Most of the pieces in your kit are going to be pre-cut for you. There are step-by-step instructions, full color photos, how to put it together, and my information is on the instruction sheet as well. If you need to contact me, if you have any questions, I'm always happy to help. So glitter won't be in your kit. I just used actually some designer dries clear liquid glue with the fine tip, added some glue around here, and just sprinkled some glitter on here. I used the Art Glitter brand, and then Crystal, I believe it's Crystal 85 if I'm not mistaken, was the exact glitter that I used. I also inked the edges with the black ink pad, and using a dropper I went around the edges. So let's go ahead and get inside. So in the front and the back covers, I have a pocket. Now this, I did not pre-punch it for you. So in your kit, it's just going to be a solid black cardstock cut to size. You're going to need to take your edge punch. Now I use the Mickey Ears edge punch by EK Success. And of course, now that I'm using it in a kit, I believe they've discontinued it. I tried to get some more and for my shop, and it looks like they're no longer making it, sadly. So if you have one of these, awesome. We're going to be using it in this kit. If not, you can leave it plain or use any decorative punch that you'd like to use. So I put in a couple of inserts here. You can put photos on the back. I have some cut-aparts for the cut-aparts. I think these are pre-cut for you. It might be on a 12x12 sheet, but I believe I may have already cut these for you. Just have to glue them down. So there's going to be 3 main pages in the book, all assembled the same. This is about a 4x6 size, and these pieces are all cut for you, like I said. The white cardstock is not in your kit. This represents your photos. So in my sample, I just put some just a little bit of adhesive in the middle, so when I get ready to add my photo, I'm going to peel this off and place the photo down. So you will not find white cardstock in your kit. Like I said, that just is showing you what it would look like with a photo there. So you will receive these inserts. You can put a photo on the front and the back. So there's a flap on the front, pocket on the front as well with an insert, and then the side you'll also receive an insert. It's double matted, and each one has a different color cardstock on it. There's red, blue, and yellow to go with the theme. And then on the back, we will be using magnets. So magnets do come in your kit as well. And I take you step by step how to put the magnets in also. So that just keeps that closed. You open it up and you've got a nice little 4x4 waterfall here where you can add your photos. Now, of course, you're going to put a photo on here as well, but I just put some nice little decorative paper on the front. And I would put just a little bit smaller photo so you could see some of the decorative paper coming through on the edges. And so each one is done the same, or assembled the same, just a little bit different papers. You can see it has a lot of cute sayings in this book. And the last page, see there. So I hope that you enjoyed taking a look at this album. Again, if you'd like to pick up one of these kits, this is a great beginners as well, because it's just a small little book. It's not going to hold like 100 pictures, but it does hold quite a few. So it's just a really nice small size, especially for a beginner who hasn't done too much in album making, and you just want to kind of dabble a little bit and see if you like it. Try this one out. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click that like button. That helps out my channel a lot. And please subscribe. Click that bell for notifications, and you'll be alerted every time I post new videos. And I do how-to videos on paper piecings, page kit assemblies. I sell page kits I design page kits and mini albums. Just please check out my Etsy shop. Links below. Follow me on Facebook. I post updates frequently on Facebook and Instagram. And thank you so much again, and have a great day.